As with any website you build or content management system you use, from time to time you may run into an issue that you are unsure how to fix. When you add in a new theme and different plugins, most of the time things will run smoothly, but on occasion, some plugins just don't play nicely together. Or let's say you just can't figure out how to do something within WordPress that you want to do. So instead of banging your head against the wall, crying, or just running off to hire a programmer, the good news is you have a few options for free support. The first place you can look is called the WordPress Codex Library, and here you will find great documentation that includes a lot of information about how to make changes within WordPress. And you can go through this to see if this answers any of your questions. You'll see that there's a lot of options here on the main screen, as well as some additional options over here on the right-hand side. If you have questions about specific themes or plugins, you can also go to the WordPress forums. And this is where you will find programmers and developers and people who just have an interest in WordPress gathering to help each other and answer each other's questions. You'll see that there's forums on installing WordPress, troubleshooting themes and templates, plugins, and on and on. So if you have questions, you can go in. If you have a plugin issue, you can go in and you can register and you can add a new topic. And you'll see that already people have been posting 30 seconds ago, a minute ago, and they already have a number of posts. So if they have a question, here they have, let's see, Google Calendar event issue. You can see that they've gone in and the plugin author has already been notified and the plugin author has jumped in and provided some information. That doesn't always happen with a developer jumping in. Sometimes you'll just find other people who are there to help support you. Lastly, if you have purchased a theme, or even if you have a paid theme, you can go back to where you downloaded that theme and see what support they offer. If you've purchased a free theme, sometimes there will be no support at all, and other times you might get limited support as this is something the developer does on a part-time basis, or other times you can get support but you might have to pay for it through them. If you have, however, purchased a theme, then you will likely be able to get support through them. So for example, here on Theme Forest, if I have purchased this theme, I see here that there's a tab at the top called Support, and I can click on Support. And it tells me that this developer, or in this case this author, has their own support system that I can click through, and here is where I can find the commonly asked questions, and I can go ahead and submit a public ticket, or I can see if there's already questions that relate to what I'm looking for, and that might answer my question as well. Although this is an official WordPress help, YouTube is a quick and easy place that you can turn to find videos about any topic related to WordPress. So if you ever get stuck, try searching within YouTube for different tutorials to help answer your questions. So as you can see, don't get too frustrated if something doesn't work out immediately. You have several places to go. You can go to the WordPress Codex Library, you can go to the WordPress forums, or you can go straight to the developer. And this, again, is the developer of either a theme or a plugin, depending on what you have a question about. So don't hesitate to use those free resources before you try to hire someone.